Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Format Painter in Storyline. This incredibly useful tool allows you to quickly copy all formatting from one object and apply it to another, saving you a significant amount of time. Imagine you have a perfectly styled text box or shape. With Format Painter, you can replicate that exact look across multiple elements in just a few clicks. It ensures a consistent and professional appearance throughout your entire course, making your design process much more efficient. To copy formatting just one time, first select the object that already has the perfect look you want to replicate. Next, locate and click the Format Painter icon, which is conveniently located on the Home tab of your Storyline ribbon. Finally, simply click on the single object where you wish to apply that copied formatting. The tool is designed to automatically turn itself off after this one-time application, making it very straightforward. When you need to apply the same formatting to several objects, the process is slightly different. Begin by selecting the object that holds the desired formatting. Instead of a single click, you will double-click the Format Painter icon. This action keeps the tool active, allowing you to click on as many target objects as you need. Once you are finished, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard or click the Format Painter icon one more time to turn it off. The Format Painter is incredibly versatile and can be used on a wide array of elements, including text boxes, various shapes, interactive buttons, and even images. It copies a comprehensive set of properties, such as fill colors, line styles, shadow effects, and all text formatting. For maximum efficiency, consider grouping objects before applying formatting. With a little practice, this powerful tool will significantly speed up your design workflow, saving you many minutes on each project.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.